Hello friends, today we'll learn to install Microsoft SQL Server. So I have it here. I'll type in again install Microsoft SQL Server. Click on Google and the first option there is SQL Server downloads. Click here. It takes us to Microsoft official website, and scrolling down we get the option either to go with developer option or with the express edition. So I will recommend the developer edition since we are learning. And here I have already downloaded this file. So the moment you'll click save, you will see this kind of folder in your directory. Click save and go back to your directory wherever you've saved your file. It will look like this. Double click and it asks the permission to allow or make changes. Yes. And now it will ask me to choose one of these three options: basic, custom or download media. So definitely we'll go with the basic one until and unless there are not some special customizations we need to make. Go through the license terms, accept, choose the path, install. So usually the path is in C because that's always safe to install your softwares in there. Now it will take around 3 to 4 minutes to install this package completely. So here we can see the installation is almost about to complete. Let's wait for another 1 minute. In total it took around 7 to 8 minutes here. So the moment the installation is complete, it gives us this prompt. Next is the task of configuration. So here the first thing is instance name and the connection string. So I can see the server name is equals to localhost, database is master, and trusted connection equal to true. So this is the connection string for this SQL server. Whenever we want to connect to this, we'll have to give this path. Second is SQL administrators. This is the folder and features installed, and then the version. Okay, next step is to install SSMS. So yes, as we discussed, there are two things. The first is engine. So we installed the engine SQL Server 2019, but what is the use if engine is installed, and how to actually use this engine? To use this engine we need second tool called SQL Server Management Studio. So we'll have to install SSMS to use this engine. Let's proceed to install the second tool, and we go to Google. And there it takes us download SQL Server Management Studio. Yes, I want to install and free download. The version is 18.12.1. Okay, again I'll have to choose my directory where I have to install this, and it's okay if it goes into my softwares. Meanwhile, let's see what this says. I can close this or I can connect now, whatever. So I'll proceed closing this. Yes. Okay. Let's wait until this gets downloaded. Hope it's working fine at your end. So here I can see SSMS setup is there. Let's double click to install this. It will take some time, but once this is installed, we are done and ready to use. Excited? So just waiting for prompt to come. Okay, there I get the option to allow this installation. Yes. Okay, it's processing, and there we get this result. Welcome, click install to begin. Okay, the path is correct. Click install. Let's wait until this package gets installed. So we can see in about 10 to 12 minutes the package is almost installed, but still it's taking its time to complete the installation. The moment it's installed, we'll get a successful message. Just keep waiting. So here the installation is complete and it's asking to restart in order to complete this setup. So let's restart the system, and with this our SQL Server Management Studio installation is complete. In the next video we'll continue writing our queries, yes, on SQL Server Management Studio. See you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.